You fixed your sleeping position. You lay sleeping on your side, but you still wake up with a stiff neck and a headache. Why? Look at Somni. It is not your position, it is your pillow. In the next 8 minutos, I'll give you a 30-second test to measure the exact pillow height for your shoulder. No rulers, no tape measures, just your own hand. And by the end, you will know if your pillow is destroying your sleep or saving it. In our last video, we saw that side sleeping with a neutral chin is the best position for your airway. But here is the thing. Even on your side, your pillow head is still crooked. And the crookedness, it compresses nerves, strains muscles, and reduces blood flow to your brain. You wake up tired again. Let me show you the common mistakes. First, a pillow that is too high. Look at Somni's chin. It is pointing toward the ceiling. This forces his neck into extension, a backward bend for 8 hours. The result, the vertebrae in your neck compress against each other. Your airway becomes a narrow straw, and the muscles in the front of your neck are stretched like a rubber band about to snap. This way area here, that is the compression, it triggers tension headaches, jaw pain, and even tingling in your fingers because the nerves coming from your neck get pinched. Second mistake, a pillow that is too low. Now Somni's chin drops toward his chest. This is neck flexion. Your chin tucks down, and your tongue falls backward into your throat. That is a recipe for snoring and sleep apnea. But worse, the muscles in the back of your neck are stretched all night. You wake up with a stiff, painful neck that feels like it needs cracking for hours. Here, the weight is in the back, the posterior muscles are overstretched, and your facet joints, the small joints between your vertebrae, are jammed together. That is why turning your head in the morning feels like sandpaper. Now imagine this. 8 hours of sleep, 7 nights a week, 52 weeks a year. That is over 2.9 hours of your neck being in the wrong position. Your body adapts, but not in a good way. Your muscles develop micro tears. Your discs start to degenerate faster. And your brain, it never gets deep, restorative sleep because your body is always subtly uncomfortable. The solution is not buying a $10 ergonomic pillow from an Instagram ad. The solution is knowing your number, your shoulder width. And you can measure it right now with 0 tools. Here is the test. Step 1. Make a thumbs up with your right hand just like this. Step 2. Without moving your thumb, bring your hand across your body and touch your thumb to the opposite shoulder. Step 3. Keep your thumb there. The distance from the tip of your thumb to the side of your neck, that is the exact height your pillow needs to be. For most people, it is between 10 and 15 cm 46 inches. Now watch Somni. His pillow is exactly that height. See his chin, neutral, his neck, straight line from his shoulders to his ears, his airway, wide open green zone. This is the golden position. Green means no compression, no overstretch, no snoring, just deep, restorative sleep. Your muscles relax, your brain cleans itself, and you wake up actually feeling like you slept. What if you do the test and realize your pillow is too high? You don't need to throw it away. Remove the pillowcase and take out some filling. Memory foam. Cut it with scissors. Feather. Remove a handful. Too low. Add a folded towel underneath the pillowcase. That's it. You don't need a new pillow, you need the right height. Tonight, before you sleep, do the thumb test. If your pillow fails, fix it. Then come back here and comment. I did the test, my pillow was too high, too low. Just right. I read every comment, and the most common problem will be the next video topic. Next video. How to choose a mattress when you weigh on a budget, the spine test without lying down. You don't want to miss it. Subscribe to Somni Method and hit the bell. Your neck will thank you tomorrow morning.